Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating where the noise comes from and why it plays. Open Settings or System Preferences and go to Notifications or Sound right away. Find the app listed and check whether sound is a system alert or an in-app tone. Once done, press Mute or Enable Do Not Disturb so you can test without repeated interruptions. Make sure to jot down the app name and the exact sound name or file path if the interface displays it. That info directs the next steps. Now you act on the source. If the tone is configurable in-app, open its notification settings and set sound to none or select a silent file. If it's a system-level alert, use settings right arrow sound right arrow app volume and device preferences to mute that app specifically. This preserves other audio. For stubborn cases, replace the app or system sound file with a silent WAV, but make a backup of the original first. These changes stop the notification. Finish by reproducing the notification and confirming silence. Trigger the event and watch the volume mixer or system logs to ensure the muted app is not producing sound. If the tone persists, clear the app cache, sign out/in, and restart the device. Sometimes a background service or scheduled task replays the alert. If that still fails, restore the backed up original sound to revert safely. Then examine notification permissions, or fully reset the app's notification settings to remove any stubborn overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.